Today we will tour 6902 West Cora Lane in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home located in Phoenix. Step inside to enjoy the beautiful, bright open floor plan. The living room seamlessly flows into the modern kitchen, boasting dark cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a picturesque view of the backyard greenery. Being nestled into a cul-de-sac, this home sits on a larger lot with a 2-car garage and RV gate, providing plenty of parking. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Don't miss this home. Schedule a tour today.